Hello and welcome back to my channel, Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany and I'm happy that you're here with me today. Today I am unboxing my Mielle Organics Black Friday purchase. Yes, I'm late. It's about a month since I purchased it, but late is better than never. So I was so excited when Mielle Organics emailed me about their $4.99 sale. And it was before Black Friday, so I think I got this on the 22nd. I think Black Friday might have been the 27th or something. So I was so excited. Here's the box. It's big. And I still have some of my items that I have not used yet because I wanted to use the whole collection together, but I was missing things here and there. I think I have everything now. So let's get into it and see what I got. Let's put this up here in front of me. I'm gonna use my box cutter and we're gonna open this box. For Black Friday, everything on the sale, every single item was $4.99, and that's great because these are really good products from what I've heard. I've only used their rice mortar line, and if you want to see that video, check it out right here. I did like it, but I have so much more to use. I'm really excited about it. Over the summer, I did buy some items because they had their $6 sale, so look out for that too if you missed the Black Friday sale. They do have sales here and there. Make sure you check out their website and subscribe to the email list because they will email you when these sales happen. Make sure you look out for those sales, and hopefully you can join in one of these wash and goes with me and we can use these products together. Okay, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get this open, and the first thing I see is a box. They do have skincare also, so this is one of them. If I don't use it for myself, I can gift it to a family member. Mielle is also Black owned, Black female owned, even better. So this is their Pomegranate and Honey Hydrating Face Mask. Here's that. That's the first thing that popped out. Next is something I'm so excited because I was missing some of these. This is the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Shampoo. This is the blue line. So I have some items from the blue line, but I didn't have them all. Let's see another one. Oh, I think I got 2 shampoos. Okay. At this point, I don't remember what I got. I'm just like, okay. There's another shampoo. 3? I don't remember getting 3 shampoos. I have to check out my order because I don't remember getting 3 shampoos. I don't usually, shampoo lasts forever, so I don't know why I would have gotten 3. Maybe one of those are supposed to be the conditioner or 2 of them, but I'll check my order out. This is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This is the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. And I think I have one of these again, but it's a deep conditioner, so it doesn't hurt to get 2, to have 2. This is something that I did not have. This is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So I'm not going to put in separate pictures of each item because this is just an unboxing, but when I do use the items, I can put in a closer picture so you can see it. Let's see what's next. I'm just digging in this box. This is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. And then the Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. This is something else I think I have one of already, but can't hurt to have 2. The Mielle Detangling Co-Wash. Big. This is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. If this is too thick for me, like I said, I will give it to a family member. A lot of my family members have thicker hair than me, and they might be interested in this for a twist out. This is the, oh, this is for a twist out. Type 4 hair. This is the Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Soufflé. So like on each styling product, as far as I've seen so far, it'll say how much definition it's supposed to have. So this says semi-deep definition. This is the Soufflé. And then the Custard says deep definition. And then on the bottle, it just has different levels of definition on that little scale there. So that's kind of cool. This is another skin / body care product. This is their Pomegranate and Honey Stretch Mark Cream. I do have stretch marks, and we'll see how this works. Also like that in here. Next is the Babassu Conditioning Shampoo. This is the Pomegranate and Honey Curl Refreshing Spray. Can I show it? Sorry. This is the Curl Refreshing Spray. This is the Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. This is the Mint Almond Oil Blend. So I usually don't care for blended oils, but let's see the ingredients. All it has is sweet almond oil, soybean oil, and peppermint oil. So that's not too much of craziness going on. Is that it? That might be it. Getting through. So that's just making sure there's a lot of these in there. Okay. So that's my haul for the Mielle. I have to check on this shampoo situation because I don't remember ordering that much shampoo. So there's supposed to be a serum that I don't see in here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm only supposed to have one shampoo. So they probably gave me other things to cover what may have been missing since everything was the same price. I'm supposed to have 2 Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Masks, and I see none of those. And I'm missing the serum. So I'm missing a serum and 2 masks, which would probably... I'm still missing something. I have to figure out how many things I got and how much I'm missing. So let's count. I'm missing something. I don't know if there's any update. So it says, thank you for your purchase. And please know we're aware of the shipping error. They did notice their error. I'm still missing. So I'm missing those 2 masks, and that's why I got these, but they said to keep these. I'm missing the serum. So I'm gonna contact them and see what happened with my serum, and then everything will be squared away. So it's good. I just checked my email. Sometimes I don't see my emails, and it's really annoying. I don't know what happened to the serum. I was actually looking forward to that. All right, let me focus. All right, so that's my haul. Haul or is it unboxing? Oh, it's haul unboxing. I got a lot of shampoo. I'm really excited to use this line just because the colors speak to me, even though pink is my favorite color. This blue, something about the blue with gold, it's so pretty. Thanks for staying here and going through this with me. I appreciate you watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Please let me know if you use Mielle or if you want to use Mielle. If I have any coupon codes, any links, I will list them down below. So I'll see you in the next one. It might be a Mielle wash and go. Until next time, bye.